Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 255S Music, and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this watch. We can track the amount of steps taken on this watch in a couple ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face, because some of the watch faces display that information. Another way to do it is to do it through the glance. Basically, when you're on the watch face on the home screen, you can press the up or down button to open the list of glances. Now you can scroll through this list, find the step glance, and once you find it, here we have the amounts of steps taken and the goal. You can then press start button to open this more detailed page basically, and we can see some statistics. And then you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also check this information or even more detailed information in the application. So I'm gonna move this to the side, bring the phone, unlock it, zoom out the camera, like this. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, let's open the Garmin Connect application. In the app, you should see the home page. And now, tap here. Let's tap here to just skip this. And you should see the home page like this. Now you can scroll through this page and look for the steps, but we don't have steps here. So what we can do is to tap on more, and then tap on, I believe, activities, and then steps. And here we have the statistics for steps. As you can see, we have the daily, weekly, 4 weeks, and 1 year. Okay, and once you're done checking the steps, you can close the app. And that's how you check the amount of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.